What's the meaning of alarming? Alarming. 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 Alarming.
Alarming means something that causes worry or concern, usually because it indicates a potential problem or danger. It may refer to a situation, event, trend, or behavior that poses a threat or risk to individuals, groups, or society. Alarming situations or events can require immediate attention and action to prevent further harm or damage. For example, an alarming increase in the number of COVID-19 cases in a community can prompt officials to implement stricter measures to slow down the spread of the virus, such as imposing lockdowns or mandating wearing masks.